Hi everyone, we're going to use the Hinge theorem or its converse and properties of triangles to write and solve an inequality to describe a restriction on the value of x. And these are the two problems we're going to do. So for this one, with the Hinge theorem, I know these two sides are congruent because they both are 6. And I know this side here is congruent to itself. So we have included angles. So this side, the side across from the 65 has to be smaller than the side across from x. So 7 has to be smaller than your x, or x has to be greater than 7. And for 15, again, we have these congruent sides here because they're both 12. And then this length is congruent to itself. So here are our two included angles. And I know that this side is smaller. So this angle is smaller. So the side across from the smaller angle, this is the converse, has to be smaller than the side across from the bigger angle, which is 38. So it has to be smaller than 12x minus 7. Now, to solve, I'm going to add 9 to both sides and subtract 3x from both sides. And that's going to give us 2 plus 9 is, we're not adding, let's see what we're doing. Should be adding 7. Sorry about that. So we're adding 7. I was already thinking steps ahead. Add 7, all right? So cancel out, cancel out. So you get 9 is less than 9x. Divide both sides by 9, and you get x is greater than 9, or 9 is less than x. So you can write it, if you read it this way, x is greater than 9. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.